Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two bar stools that this brand sent to me for the video review. And I think these are really good, not only because they're super easy to assemble. Let's talk about the assembly for like 2 seconds. It is super easy. It comes with just 2 pages, just like this. 2 pages. This is the only thing you need to have, and comes with everything you need for the installation. Again, super easy to install. It's not gonna take you more than, I did it myself and it was like probably like 15 minutes, no more than that, which is power tools, but you don't need the power tools. It's super easy. And then what I like about these ones is that these are 24.6 inches tall. So these are low profile bar stools. These are made for a situation like this, for example, or if you have a super low kitchen countertop, you can actually use them as well. But I have one that is pretty tall. Like my bar stools on my kitchen countertop, they're like 29 or 32 inches tall because it's super tall. But for example, I have this bar and I've been looking for a set of bar stools for this bar like forever. They are kind of like compact enough to not to be super bulky, and these are ideal for that. So 24.6 inches, and you can see that has this PU leather that feels really good. These are 3.5 inches thick. These are super cushioned, as you can see right here. I'm gonna actually sit in this position so you can actually see that they support my weight. And by the way, I'm 5'10" and I weigh 190 pounds, so they support my weight really good. What I also like about these ones is that right here, the bottom part, they come with rubber pads, meaning that if you have a wooden floor like myself, they won't damage your floor. So that's actually super important as well. They come in a pack of 2, as you can see, and this is an actual kind of like close-up so you can actually see the quality. The metal frame is really kind of like firm. I have to say that it's pretty solid. You can see that it's not easy to move and it doesn't kind of like wiggle or jiggle, so that's actually super good. And as you can see, something that I really like is kind of like this super nice detail on the leather. Kind of like makes it to be stylish, I have to say. Super easy to clean with just a wipe if anything happens. And what I also really like is that you can actually put them both together just like this, and you have a really nice display. Or if you want, you can put them like this and sit in this weird position, because it comes with the footrest in both places, not just on the side but both places, so you can actually use it to sit like this. I like them. They're super versatile, easy to assemble. They come with a PU leather, and for sure easy to clean, as well as super cushioned and padded right here. Like them. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up for sure. If you have a bar like this one, you may have to probably need this one too. I like them. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.